How's it going, guys? YomiTosh here, back with another video, and it's another Jailbreak Wednesday. I've picked out some special tweaks for you guys today. So first one up, let's get right into it. The first one is called Compatimark, and this basically shows you a little tick in Cydia for any tweak that is compatible in Cydia. So if I just navigate to my installed tweaks, you can see the ticks right there, and if you go to changes, you can see the tweaks that are compatible for iOS 12, so you don't have to go online and check to see if they're compatible. Now this doesn't show for every single tweak that is compatible, but for the most part you can easily identify which tweaks are compatible with this blue mark. Yellow mark means that it's partially compatible, and the blue mark means it's fully compatible, so that's a good one to have. The next one is NewGridSwitcher, and this basically gives you the iPad style switcher on your iOS device, and it looks pretty cool. I never close my apps, so literally almost all my apps are open right now, and it's like a nice way to like view your apps from like a view from far away. So yeah, that's another cool one. And for my themes, there's a new theming engine around, and it was around for about the ending of iOS 11 as well, and it's called SnowBoard. And SnowBoard is awesome because you can theme your phone just like you could with Animoji, but SnowBoard is a lot more fluid. It's really quick, so you don't have to respring when you change your theme. I'll just head over to SnowBoard in the settings right now, and this is what it looks like. SnowBoard, and you can just pick themes as you want. You can also mix and match different themes too, and it's pretty cool. It's very stable. I recommend this one very highly. The next one is called Astolfo, and it basically makes your Siri like this. So yeah, this is what Siri looks like now. I don't quite know who this character is, but apparently this character is a boy. Take that as you will. But yeah, with Astolfo you can basically put this overlay in Siri. Pretty cool. The next one is called Color My Battery, and this basically gives you a little color in your battery, so it changes depending on what percentage your battery is on, and I think it looks really cool. It has like this nice aesthetic, and if you've got a theme going on as well, it just completes the whole look. The next one is called Smooth Cursor, and this one is by no means new, and it basically allows your cursor to move really smoothly, and it's really nice. It looks kind of like Microsoft Word on the new Microsoft Word 2010 and up, and yeah, it just makes your cursor just move like really fluid. As you can see, even the words are actually popping up before the cursor gets there, which is pretty cool. That's really fluid. Like once you go fluid, you really wouldn't want to go back because you feel like the other way is clunky. So moving on to the next tweak, it's called FloatingDock, and it's making another appearance on the channel, and it basically adds another row to your actual grid. I don't know if it does this on the bigger iPhones, but it's a nice way. It looks like the iPad, so it's very familiar, and you can just open recent apps right from the dock area, and it also shows you I think 2 more apart from the ones I have here. And if you've got handoff devices, you also see your handoff icons for depending on what app you're on, and it's really easy to reach. And although it's pretty small though, but it's still pretty easy to press buttons. And then moving on to the next one, which is actually in the dialer, it's called EasyDialer, and this basically allows you to dial using the T9. So you're trying to like recall a number, or you're just trying to like type names, it just pops up kind of like the way old phones used to do. I still don't know why Apple just doesn't have it implemented into here. But yeah, EasyDialer works, and if you still call people, definitely check this out. And the next one is called SpotlightScroll, XB-SpotlightScroll. I'm not quite sure what the XB stands for, but yeah, basically if you move to the extreme left of your screen, which is literally just the widgets page, you can lock your device, or you can set it to do a bunch of other things like pull down control center, or a bunch of other things. I'll leave a screenshot in the corner right here to show you what it does. And the next one is called Keyboard Color 12, and you might have caught a glimpse of this. It basically changes the color of your keyboard, and you have like a color picker, so you can literally pick any color you want. The next one is called AlarmFade, and it's another cool tweak, and you can set the timing for how long you want the fade in for your alarm to be. And this is cool if you're a light sleeper, or you're usually more or less always awake when your alarm alarm is about to turn on, so you don't want it to be too loud. So yeah, this is a cool one to check out. The next tweak is iPad Safari tabs, and it basically gives you the iPad tabs in Safari, and I don't close many of my tabs, so it looks a bit clunky on my phone, but you can still always go into this menu and look at your tabs that way. But if you're just switching between tabs really quickly, this is a very neat way of doing that, which is really cool. The next one is called and I don't know if you noticed this, but literally everything on my phone seems like baby talk. So calendar, camera, settings, okay, settings didn't change much, health, wallet, and literally the whole of my settings looks like that. And yeah, it literally just goes around your whole operating system and changes a bunch of things. Also your notifications as well. So my do not disturb sign says, wow, calls and notifications will be silenced until do not disturb is turned off window. And it's pretty hilarious if you're into like anime and kawaii things. So yeah, definitely check this one out. And the next one is called cthulhu. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce this, but apparently it's like a scary character from, I don't know, a movie or like it's a fictional character basically, and it allows you to change the lock screen text on your lock screen. So literally where it says swipe up to unlock, or where it says swipe to unlock, sorry, press home to unlock. We've left the swipe to unlock days. It allows you to change the text there. I can't quite see the text on mine, but it would definitely work for you. And the final tweak, which is something I can't show you, is Animoji 12.2. And this is basically for like the 10, the 10R and the 10S. But it basically allows you to get the new Animojis on iOS 12.2 on your iOS 12.1.2 and below jailbreak. So yeah, that's it for this video, and hopefully you like it, and hopefully you come back next week for more tweaks. But yeah, YomiTosh, and it's been a pleasure showing you some new tweaks today. See you in the next one. Peace. So I also happened to jailbreak my iPad, and I think it looks really cool. I have it in like full-on dark mode, so I'll just show you my settings here, and I really like it. So Photos dark mode as well, App Store dark mode as well, and I've got a few other things here and there. So if you'd like to see a video on my jailbroken iPad, definitely leave a like and let me know in the comments as well. Let me know what you want to see. And yeah, peace out again.